Okay, should be live here. There we go. Copy. Good morning, guys. Morning, morning, morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. We might get an early trade here. I'm looking to short. It's kind of what I'm looking at right now. News in a couple of minutes. Yeah, orange folder news though. I don't know why they're making unemployment claims orange folder. This makes sense. Let's look at it. Let's look at why we're looking at shorts. It's not shorts because I think the market's bearish. It's shorts because temporarily I do, number one, want us to take this out. Boom, trend line liquidity. That's reason for short number one. Give me another reason for more shorts. Hourly sweep into a higher time frame FEG. That's where we got here. What happened after we swept out that FEG? Inverse of this 1 hour FEG here. Okay, we didn't actually quite inverse it. We didn't actually quite inverse it. But then what happened? We respected this hourly basic price action. We put in a low, high, lower low, break, and then we inverse this gap back to the downside. So I was looking for something like this to sweep all of this, and then it'll continue higher. But it's just a theory. Still just a theory. Like, as you can see, price is clearly like trending lower here a bit. If price doesn't give us an entry, so it's like if it's gonna short, it should do it from true day open. This is true day open. There's a perfect liquidity right below it. We should just sweep that out and then dump to these lows, and then we can maybe start trading higher. That would be like a perfect little scalp short. Man's about start streaming. Man's about start streaming nano gold. Did they even release a nano version of gold? I thought it was just the equities market they did that with. What's going on, Nate? Asia session last night was really, really good for me. I'm green on the week. So I've been thinking of low-key switching full-time to Asia. I just don't like streaming during Asia because I'm working. So it's like, I don't know how I'm going to be able to continue this for y'all. Because New York has been kicking my ass. But Asia has been extremely pleasant to me. That Asia hold, we got stopped out instantly. That Asia hold, this was us, our, let me see. Yeah, that Asia hold, we got stopped at break even on that last contract right here. We got in here, rolled it all the way here with like a 1 to 3. Last contract here got stopped at break even, which is fine. Yeah, that's exactly what happened. So it's like, do I think we're bullish? Yes, but in the short term, can we go bearish to take out this low here? Absolutely. Oh, I'm tired. I really don't like how we're reacting out of this 1 hour though. With no closure. Did XAU close beneath this 1 hour at least? No. XAU is just respecting this 1 hour. But we've already filled this gap. There's no reason to be going back lower down there. Unless price really wants to come sweep out these liquidity. We know this is all liquidity, right, guys? We know that. All this is liquidity. So, you're about to take a trade. Yeah, Asia is super clean. Like, Asia is very, very clean. Okay, we got a tag. Like, this is top new day open. Is this news that's come out here? Yeah, it's news. We tap new day open. If price wants to continue going higher, I don't want it to give a sell setup at all. I want it to just keep ripping like it's doing. Because I feel very uncomfortable shorting in a 1 hour bullish gap. So let it just rip. Once this high here gets taken, it's clear as day that we're officially like we're bullish. We're back, we flip back bullish. But I did kind of want these liquidity down here. It's very, very low resistance. None of these have been swept on the higher time frame. Yeah, this candle here will tell us. It should reject if it wants to go lower now. I don't want us to close above true day open. I'm going to start sizing down during New York session. Maybe I need to start trading them nano contracts. Because I'll be real, guys. Y'all have been saying gold has been whooping my ass during New York session. So please, man, size down. What I'm thinking about start doing, because I got so many messages on Instagram talking about they blew your accounts, trading live and all that stuff with me. I'm like, how did you blow your accounts but I didn't? Something's not right. When we got off stream, did you take another trade? Did you not go break even? Did you over leverage on my setups or plays? How did you blow your account when I didn't? Swing over to NQ or YM. Yeah, I have NQ on a separate chart. Y'all can't see it, and I'm watching it. I'm watching it as well. NQ is in deep accumulation right now. Let me show y'all. Straight manipulation, but we're just still manipulating trending lower. ES as well, straight manipulation, straight accumulation right here. Asia session accumulated, London accumulated. A big move is coming. To in what direction? We don't know. So what I simply want to do, I want to see accumulation, manipulation, and then distribute higher here, or distribute lower. But obviously the market is bullish, so I want to see it kind of dip down first and then go higher. Let's check on the hourly to see if we have any type of... Yep, we're in an hourly FEG here. Let's check the 4 hour, see if we have a better one. Yeah, we're in a 4 hour FEG here with a 4 hour above us on ES. Boom. We can look at the daily bearish gap right down below us. Somebody watch gold for me, please. Boom, daily bearish FEG right there. What does the daily bearish FEG align with? The daily bearish FEG aligns perfectly outside of this accumulation range. So what I want to see on ES is literally, boom, dailish bearish FEG. I mean bullish FEG, and then distribute higher. We're probably going to get that during market open. But I am willing to take this to this daily bearish FEG, but just know that's a more dangerous play because overall the market technically is bullish, but we're due for a retracement. We were bullish for 3 days straight. Like, look at this. We are due for a retracement, but again, it's the equities market, so like Shonen, look at that. I ended up green. I only use your model. Yeah, guys, let me tell you something right now. It doesn't matter what model you're using. Um, if you lack discipline, you're always gonna end up red. Always. We close above true day open. That's very dangerous, but we can still get a rejection here. This play is still valid until this high here gets taken. Once that high there gets taken, I don't really like it anymore. Why? This high is a sweep. So we're chopping around here, low, high, low, high, lower low, sweep, break of structure. All right, look at this. We were trending lower. We swept all of that to break of structure. So this high here should be protected. Once we take it, gold has little to no interest of pushing lower. Look at this. We already broke out of this TT indicator on the 3-minute. Also broke out of this TT indicator. It's like if gold wants to be bearish, it should go now. I don't want this high here swept. I really don't. That's good, Shonen. I'm glad. I really am. Now my model is able to give you great returns. Nasdaq is already in the daily FEG here. What do we have here, guys? Daily breaker block. What's it called? Very high confluence daily breaker. Nasdaq is looking a lot. ES and Nasdaq look a lot like so much more obvious. Boom. That literally means after we tap London low, we should get a nice reaction to the upside. We can ride it all the way back to true day open. Look where true day open perfectly aligns with. Y'all should start using this tool. ICT kill zones and pivots, phenomenal tool. True day open perfectly aligns with what? London session high. It's beautiful. Let's look at ES. Equal highs here with Asia and London. It's coming for it. I just kind of wanted to take out these lows here first. But regardless, we'll short it down to those lows. Why? Look at this. London low, untapped. Asia low, untapped. New York PM low, untapped. What's New York PM low aligned with? Daily bearish FEG. But look at this on the 4-hour time frame, guys. I mean on the daily time frame, guys. On the daily time frame, what are we? Just look at this. What are we? Bullish. We're bullish, right? Cool. If we're bullish, what should we be looking for? Longs, right? Cool. Let's look on the 4-hour. What are we? Bullish. Let's look on the 1-hour. What are we? Bullish. Let's look on the 15-minute. What are we? Bullish. Okay, let's zoom in. Accumulation. Manipulate lower, this should be higher. That would be an A+ setup. If market open can manipulate lower, that would be like one of the best setups today. So I have my eye out on that while still looking at gold. I have my eye out for that. And gold is starting to close above all these levels. I'm starting to doubt that it wants to come back down here. Well, it might. We're watching gold, but guys, best believe on this chart, y'all can't see it, but on this chart, because I have two monitors, so I'm screen sharing one monitor, but I have a second monitor. On my second monitor, I have ES pulled up. I have ES and NASDAQ pulled up like side to side. I'm not even playing with it. Is gold good? Because I trade NQ. Yes, gold is good. What did I say, guys? If gold wanted to short, it shouldn't take out these highs. Yeah, if we get a W today, I'm done for the week. If we don't get a W today, I'll trade Asia session today as well. If I trade Asia session, I get a W, I'm done for the week. If I take two losses, I'm still done for the week because tomorrow's NFP and it's Fridays, and y'all kind of already know my pattern. I usually don't trade Fridays. I kind of want to stay patient for an ES trade. Like we could get this gold set up here. I might lightly try it. But I think I kind of want to stay patient for an ES trade. Nice reaction from these levels. If gold wants to really take out these lows, it should do it now. Let's check the 15-minute. Great manipulation on the 15-minute. Fake break of structure. People are longing this right now. So somebody has a long setup like this. Because think about it, we are coming out of a 1 hour, 15-minute CISD. So if this setup fails, we're going for these lows. If this setup wins, then we are bullish. Just know that. If somebody's longing this right now, This is a good trade to them because we're reacting out of this 1 hour. We failed to take out this 15-minute high, and they want to see price long because we're technically still bullish. But if it fails, then our short setup that we're thinking of taking might play out. I'm gonna take this, I might take this short setup here. We still have a few minutes till this candle closes. If it leaves without us, oh well. I am kind of focused on ES. Definitely not horrible, but please be careful. Definitely not horrible. Yeah, it's about to leave without us. The 3-minute close on my end, I already have a limit set. I don't know if it'll come back though. Looks like it wants to just run. Are you gonna come back, gold? Leave without us like you've been doing all week? If you took it on the closure, then that's you're in profit. It looks like it might want to leave. Come on, gold. Who's in this? But who's in this though? Because the 3-minute close, so who's in this? You should be winning right now. I was just waiting for a retest. If you took this, you're winning. Your 1-to-1 is about to hit and you'll be out. If you took this, you're winning. Who took this? This is a W if you took this. You're in. Great. You're about to hit. You're literally about to hit. You're literally about to hit right now. Boom. As long as gold hasn't taken out London lows or Asia lows, this trade is very, very valid. Good. Good. Oh my goodness. Beauty. 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 TP in one candle. TP in one candle. Beautiful trade. Oh my goodness. Beautiful setup. Let's see if TP2 here can hit. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful setup. If you miss this setup, see if you can get an entry off of this FVG here that's going to form. Remember, the targets are these lows. So if you can find an entry before we reach these targets, you're good. The people who just hit TP, go break even for sure. People who aren't in, just know TP1 has hit. You are a little bit late to this, but if we retrace, you can get in because these are the targets. It's clear as day. Looks like we're back, baby. Bang, new 50K on Top Step. There we go. Good job. Good trade. It was beautiful. Perfect. Guys, look, I called it perfectly. This high here should not be taken if we're bearish. Beautiful. Beautiful. Once all these targets hit, deadass, you can flip and go bullish. Real shit. Once all these targets hit, low here, we might not take this one, but I am expecting at least these two. Once those two hit, you can flip and go bearish. Look at this nice 1 hour candle flip. Oh my goodness, beautiful. We have 7 minutes to the bearish FEG closes. We're gonna take out these targets. I had a bit of a FOMO entry when I saw price was leaving without us. I'm in like here. I'll add on a pullback. I'm in very light already. I had a bit of a FOMO entry like here. Gold has been living without us. Guys, look, this is a no wick candle. That's how I know we're gonna come back. That's how I know we're gonna come back after we take out all these targets. If London low and Asia low hasn't been taken out, shonen, look to enter in here. Look for some type of go on the 1 minute and look for some type of manipulation in here. As long as London low and Asia low have not been taken. The moment they've been taken, just know this could be a full-blown reversal. So be careful. Wow, what a beautiful trade. We can get off stream right now. We don't got to take nothing else. Okay. This 1 minute candle might start to flip. Give us a bit of a pullback. No pullback, gold. ES and NQ are still moving a bit slow. I want to see my trade idea on ES and NQ as well. For NQ, I want these lows. For ES, I also want these lows here. ES has a bit further down to go, but I know 830 will give it to us. Go 3 minute FEG here. Target hasn't been hit yet. 3 minute FEG could deliver out of it. Come on, man. Don't give up. Be patient. Gold could retrace for you. You never know. You know gold likes to play around TPs. It'll start dancing around and maybe give a huge retracement before finally hitting TP. You know gold plays like that. That's your chance to participate. Or not, but I think it will. I think it'll retrace before hitting TP because we just took out this liquidity here. And I know price likes to retrace or reverse at liquidity levels. So we'll see. Never mind. I think it's going straight to TP. This is TP2, guys. Start trailing. I'm trailing. Trail, trail. Got 2 minutes to the hourly closes. That's London low here tapped. We need Asia. Boom, that's TP2, guys. Oh, London lows, I don't want a reaction from London lows. Look, these are London lows here. Let me mark it out. Like, don't long from this. Definitely, definitely do not long from this. This is not the objective. You got to go to the hourly. Look at this. You really think we're going to long from this candle but not this one? No, I doubt it. And the hourly candle is about to inverse this FVG in 1 minute, 21 seconds. I think what's going to happen is, gold, are you predictable today? It'll take this out, give a fake long, come in here, do something, and then come actually take these out. That might be what happens. Or it'll just flush through. But regardless, this is from this low, this London low is not a valid long at all. The best, most valid longs are all the way down here. But then again, how much energy would gold need to be able to come all the way down here to be able to give a better reaction to the upside? So I think the move would just be bearish. But if we do get a long set entry from here, this is also valid. But definitely not here. There's no liquidity there. There's not enough liquidity here. If we long from here, it's not valid. If you miss this trade, it's okay. Look, NQ is about to set up for you. ES is coming down to set up for you as well. Remember, we're in AMD. So this is even a better trade than the gold trade. It's even a much better trade than the gold trade. What is this? 5-minute FEG. What's gold about to do? Hopefully it gives it to us, but this would be nice. What is this? Hold on. I think I'm in a little bit of a flow here. What is this? $15-minute EOB. 15-minute EOB into a 5-minute, reacting off of a low that's not really valid. If you get an entry into this 5-minute, it's valid. Take it. Asia low sweep doesn't automatically mean buys, but we could get buys from it. That doesn't automatically mean buys though. All right. Boom, hourly has inversed. I'm managing position. I don't even know if I want to add to this. I'll just trail stops depending on where price goes. Come on, run to this 5-minute. Come on, run to the 5-minute gold. Whew, I'm still standing. You don't want the 5-minute? You don't want this 5-minute FVG going? You want to make that a breakaway gap? Let's do something else. Let's take the fib from here. Let's take it down to here. 50% of this is here. Could react off of here on the if we retrace into this 5-minute. Wow, this is the best I've seen gold move during New York all week. It's the best I've seen. Analysis was on point. We shouldn't reverse from here. We should simply retrace. I don't think we should reverse fully from here without taking out Asia. We got 26 more minutes till market opens. I never said short on Asia sweep. I never said short. Like, I know we're going to Asia. I don't know if we're longing from Asia. You gotta understand the difference. I know gold wants to come to Asia. I just don't know if gold wants to long off of Asia. That's the kicker. Why? Because gold has room to go lower down to this low and also down to this low. So this low here is Asia. This low right here, that's Asia. I don't know if gold wants to just poke Asia and long when it has more liquidity down below. That's what I'm saying. Like, I wouldn't even trust it. There's Asia. There's Asia. Oh my goodness, beautiful. Jeez, Lord, beautiful trade. There's Asia. Like I said, how likely is gold going to completely reverse here and not take out this low here? I think it wants to go all the way down to this low. If anything, what can happen is that we could come up and sweep out this 5 minute here. Boom, there's the other low. See? Now we might long. Now gold might long. Doesn't have to. It might long. Remember, we still have one more liquidity, which is down here. Guess you can also count this 15 minute here. I think we just delivered to all this now. I think it just flushes. It's very, very low resistance. This was a A++++++ trade. If you missed that, NQ is also setting up nicely. This is ridiculously low resistance on NQ right here. You're going to also get that as well. Don't miss it. I'll stay on stream and call out the entry. I might even take it as well. Beautiful morning. It's not even 8:30 yet. Full TP is getting smacked on everything. How likely is it that we're going to edge New York PM low as well? I don't like longs from anywhere here. I don't like longs anywhere here. I think it'll give a fake long entry to manipulate to these highs here. While tapping this 5 minute FEG. So it'll like manipulate like this and then take out the remaining draw. It might be a bearish day for gold. I'm still standing. Oh, I'm still standing. What are you doing, ES, baby girl? If ES gives a long entry, I'm taking that shit too. Lighter risk though. Risk some profits. I'm still standing. Oh, shit. There's gold. I told you. This low right here. Banger. Beautiful banger. There's gold coming for those lows. Oh my goodness. Jesus Christ. We're definitely in shorts. Look at the two. Look at gold. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful. The draw liquidity was obvious, guys. Beautiful. Now you can look for longs from these lows. We have to take it first, though. I don't even think it'll retrace for us. I think it'll just come smack it. Look at this death candle. Now you can look from longs from here, but you should have already ate with the shorts. I'm going to be real. I did FOMO into this. Price closed, waiting for a retrace. I didn't get it. I FOMO'd like this. We should take out these lows. So if price just starts retracing, it's just for you to add or get in if you missed the trade. But I think we'll take out these lows for sure. But just wait for ES and NQ. Look, ES is setting up nice. Wait for ES to come take out this final low. This final low is into a daily FVG. Boom. Just wait for NQ. I mean ES. Tap, then take off. Easy. So it's accumulation, manipulate lower to distribute higher. Market open will probably give us that manipulation lower. NQ has already taken out London lows, so don't get manipulated into an early long. Just wait. Maybe I'm with you tonight, just like animals, animals like animals. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Yes, I like this, ES. Take out the everything. Let's delete this. Let's take out all these lines. If you get this on gold, it's valid. Session liquidity model trade is valid. We still have a draw here that's intact. I don't think we edge this draw. I think we take it. There's no reason to edge it. This is all part of the trend line liquidity. GG, hell yeah. 4 and 1 hour bullish fair value gap on which pair and what time frame? Yeah, we're already in this 4-hour FEG, but we still have a final draw left. So we can tap a bit lower before continuing long. Just a bit lower. Just a bit lower. That's it. It's like if it ends up longing completely, it's like, okay, sucks. But this low looks very, very promising at least. On the 5-minute and the 15-minute, this low looks very, very promising. And then you can take longs out of a 15-minute tinny from this low. We just want this low. But then again, you know how gold be sometimes? Your fib is giving you 29,100. 29? Are you talking about NASDAQ? 29,100 is mad low. That means we'll be bearish. This will no longer be AMD. That means we're bearish on NASDAQ. Yeah, we need to manipulate this first and then by all means, long it. By all means, long this. Once we take out this low, we can long gold. If not, I'm still looking for shorts. 5-minute FEG. Five-minute FEG, y'all. Let's take our fib, draw from here down to here. 0.5% marks perfectly with New York PM low. Tap. We could also go to the 0.618, tap, and then short. But gold doesn't look like in a retracing friendly move. Sorry, 29,300, okay. Yeah, that's perfect. 29,300 aligns with this daily FEG. I mean, this daily breaker on NASDAQ. 29,300 is valid on NASDAQ. ES is about to tap this daily. ES is about to tap this daily here, right here. Beautiful. I want this daily tapped on ES. I want this breaker tapped on NQ. And gold tap this 5 minute. That's if it wants to just deliver off that tiny little tap. You get a 5 minute Timmy from here. As long as we don't take this low. Once we take this low, please stop shorting. Even if we dump all the way down to 0. Once we take this low, please stop shorting. Gold. If we stay patient in 1 minute 45 seconds, you can get a Timmy out of this as well. If you missed the first set of trades, just know you're taking a much riskier trade and you're probably going for like a 1-to-1 or something like that. Beautiful trade. No, don't take this. You're getting manipulated on ES. Market open is going to come and dump. If it pumps, that's going to be very confusing and rare. Market open would dump, take it out, and then pump. That'll be the market manipulation. The market looks so obvious today. Let's capitalize on this. I have Asia high here, London high here, true day open here. It'll be a crazy pump. I just hope this taps this daily for real. Yeah, I promise you this is manipulation. Five-minute FVG on gold. Remember, if this reaction was coming right from this low, this would be a great long. The only reason I don't like this long is that we didn't take out this low. Because guys, I understand we're in an hourly, we're in a 4-hour gap. Trust me, I know, I understand we're in a 4-hour gap. But still, this is liquidity that it should just not leave behind. So let's see if you can get a session liquidity model trade from this. If it starts pumping, then we were just wrong on the draw. But you should have still capitalized. It's 8:21 right now. I know some people are logging this because of the session liquidity model. And if it wins, I'll genuinely be surprised, but that also just proves a mechanical system also works. But we're using discretion to know that we still want this low. Like NQ has left behind a low. I mean, ES has left behind a low, and gold has left behind a low. Both of them left lows behind. Unacceptable. Baby, I'm with you tonight. Just like animals, like animals, like animals. Come on, ES. Manipulate, come take this out. There we go. I told y'all this was manipulation. You're holding a short since yesterday on gold. Valid. You probably took that during what, Asia session or London? During Asia session, all I can think of was you took it off these highs. Look, on gold, a 5-minute Timmy is about to set up right here. Remember, shorts are a lot more dangerous now because we've taken out 1, 2, 3 draws. We just haven't taken out the final one, but this final one is low-key a main draw too. So it's like you can still take shorts off of this high sweep here to go lower. I'm watching ES closely though. I think market open is gonna dip and then blast off. And I low-key want to catch it. I low-key want to catch it. You took gold longs from 1-minute IFEG. You're good. Just be careful, go break even pretty quick because we might still come back for these lows. If gold doesn't come back for these lows, that means during Asia or London, that means we're not really gonna make a really like good move. During Asia or London, it'll come back for this low because this is like a high draw. One more minute till market open. Market open. What are we doing? ES. Are you gonna pump? Is ES pumping? Come on, come take this. Good. Damn, gold is pumping. Good, ES. Take this out. Don't take this low. I'm not taking any longs on ES till we take out this low. I'm watching NASDAQ. NASDAQ has tapped that daily, NASDAQ has tapped this daily breaker or whatever it's called. Not looking for any longs on NQ till we take out this low down here. There we go. Good girl. Good girl. Come on, all the way. Don't edge it. Keep going, ES. That is a good girl. Now are you going to reject? Now will they reject or will they keep dumping? Yeah, guess it just wants to keep dumping. Guys, remember, this is the AMD accumulation. We've just broken lower to manipulate on ES. Can we distribute? Accumulation, manipulation lower. Can ES distribute? Can you distribute ES? It's distributing. Can ES distribute? If ES can distribute, I love this setup a lot. Good girl. I will take this on ES. Good girl. No inversion yet? Don't let it leave without you. If it starts booming, get in. If ES starts booming, get in. You want to manipulate one more time? That's a nice closure. That's a nice closure. This trade's valid. This trade is valid here. This is a valid ES long. Accumulation manipulator lower, distribute higher. Valid. Where could we target? Untapped Asia high, untapped London low. I'm in this, guys. I'm in this as well. I'm in this. Valid. Oh my goodness. Valid, valid, valid. Where's my 1-to-1? My 1-to-1's not to these highs. Valid. Oh my goodness. Look at it print. It's moving. It's moving. I need this shit to boom. Beautiful AMD. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, I'm in this. I'm in this. Look, guys, I'm in this. I'm in this. I'm in this. If this loses, I risk a lot less because this is 2 setups in one day. I'm usually a one and done type of guy, but ES looked really good. And I liked it a lot. Gold is booming, so we were wrong about gold. Yeah, gold is booming. We were wrong about gold. Yeah. So it never took out this low. That's tough. Damn, NASDAQ is booming more than ES. Are you serious, ES? Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now? We took one dub today, and it looks like ES is about to give us a loss. God damn it, ES. You can't be for real. You're joking, right, ES? Damn, NASDAQ is a lot more bullish than you are. NASDAQ is a lot more bullish than you are. I probably should have took that shit on NASDAQ. Ah, faith though. The trade looks too good. Come on, run. Run, little birdie, run. No. This is all low resistance liquidity. It's like on NASDAQ and on ES, all of this is all low resistance. I want all of this taken. I want all that shit taken. Only regret, I should have took this on NASDAQ. I think NASDAQ will give a bigger move. That's the only regret. But the trade was very obvious. There we go. Good girl. NASDAQ is flying. It should fly. It should fly. All this low resistance, it should fly. It should just fly. Like, NASDAQ still has room to grow. It still has room to go. All of this should get taken. Even all the way up here. This shit should fly. It should start flying. 8:30 manipulation, fly. I want you to fly like a bird. Fly, NASDAQ. Fly, ES. Fly. Fly, little birdie. Fly. Fly like the wind, birdie. Fly like the wind, birdie. This is how ES is looking right now, guys. I'm just watching NASDAQ because it makes me feel better. That's the trade I should have been in. Fly like the wind, birdie. Ooh. Why is ES so much choppier than NASDAQ, though? That's the thing. Man, y'all give me 1 second. I know TP about to hit, but give me 1 second. 1 second. I'm back. Oof. Yeah, it's about to hit. Are we gonna hit? Boom. That's first TP on ES. Go break even, boys. Second TP shouldn't be till London and Asia highs on ES. Damn, 2 dubs today. 2 dubs today. Wow, what a banger day. Price was so easy to read. Price was so easy to read today. Like, so easy. Looking at price was ridiculously easy to read today. The only thing we got wrong today was that we never took this low, which I really wanted on gold, but it's fine. We took these shorts on gold, banked. Took these longs on ES, banking. This is second TP right here, guys. This is true day open. We should get a retracement, but I don't think we're going to get a retracement all the way down here. If we do, that's crazy. Remember, this is AMD. It should just deliver. It should just go straight. It should just deliver. NASDAQ is delivering. Remember, this is all low resistance. This is a high RR trade on NASDAQ. We should have took this on NASDAQ. We would be up like a 1-8 right now. If we took this on NASDAQ, this would be our long, like this. On NASDAQ, this trade would be a 1-3. Let's be real, we would have took some profits here and then hold all the way till up here. Second TP is about to hit on ES. Look, second TP is about to hit. Second TP is about to hit. W's, who's in this? Give me a second. I can't actively read gold right now. I'm in the middle of a trade. I'll do it after. Okay, I'll just do it right now. Gold, equal highs above. Gold might short. Yeah, gold might short. Gold's reads a little off. You missed both the moves. You missed the shorts and you missed the longs. So I don't know anymore on gold. Come on, this should fly. Fly. Fly like the wind, birdie. If NQ takes out these highs and ES hasn't, I'll close my second. I'll take off 2 more contracts off my position. Because NQ is struggling at true day open right now. NQ is, ES is struggling at true day open. I don't think it should fully reverse from here though. That would be crazy. That would be really crazy. It shouldn't. We're in the middle of a distribution phase. It should just go. We're in the middle of distribution. They shouldn't retrace. It should just go. There we go. Run, run, yes, take it out. Bad girls, bad girls, bad ES, bad girl. Bad girl, ES, bad girl. This 1 minute's holding nice though. They might want to sweep this out. If it doesn't sweep it out here, it'll sweep it out after we take out these highs for sure. No. You gotta look sometimes on the 5 minute. How does the 5 minute look? This looks beautiful. It's just a nice little healthy retracement. Putting in the bottom 5 minute wick so we can expand now. I don't want displacement from this. And these are equal highs up here. So it'll really suck if it takes us out at break even. That'll be a crazy retracement, like a crazy one. Okay, we've taken out the low. You should run. It should run now. It should run. I'm not gonna give back a lot of profit, so if this starts dumping, I'm gonna close. Come on. Run, girl. We're in the middle of distribution. It shouldn't give much pullbacks. Run, girl. Hold on, guys. I know I'm not answering comments. Look, see? My position's messing, like this is messing me up. Okay, I'm gonna get out of 2 cons here. I don't like this. Okay. Let's see. It has to hold right now. This should hold like now because we inverse this 1 minute. This isn't good. Like flip. It has to flip. It has to flip. There we go. We're in the middle of distribution. Come on, distribute. That's a good enough retracement for you. Yes. This is a good enough retracement for you. You shouldn't need to go any lower. Yep, not good. Is there news coming or something? Is there news? Is there news coming or something? No, there's not. There's yellow folder news. That shouldn't do much. What's NASDAQ doing? Okay, NASDAQ's going a little higher. There we go. Can you push? I know you want all these draws. Wow, that's crazy. That is crazy, yes. That is a crazy retracement. I've taken off 2 more contracts, so I'm in with 2 positions left. That's at break even. If it stops that out, it's still a W. But that's a crazy retracement. Off a distribution leg? This doesn't even make sense. NASDAQ is holding. ES is the one that's dumping. So we might get SMTs at these highs. But once NASDAQ takes these highs, I'll probably get out full, regardless of where ES is at. What's gold doing? We're watching and we're waiting. We're about to get a CISD here on ES. About to get a CISD here. Or not. Yeah, this is dumping to break even. That sucks. Why is it doing this? NASDAQ is holding perfectly fine. Why is ES doing this? We took the trade on the wrong pair for sure. Yeah, I wanted to take out I wanted to take out these highs. Okay, are we finally gonna go now? All this goddamn retracing. 9 o'clock candle. Thank you. Keep going. Keep going. If it flips, we're cooked. If it flips, we're low-key cooked. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yes. Don't do this. Don't do it. I'm acting like we're about to lose. We've already taken a dub. Oh man. We've taken 2 dubs. This is the third time we've had a candle flip. This is the third. Look at all these wicks, man. Doesn't feel or look nice. Can we get a body closure, please? Jeez, Lord, all these wicks. Move, ES. Stop playing around now. NASDAQ is holding fine. ES is just wicking down. It's ridiculous. Like, look, just this tiny little move on NASDAQ, ES is making all-time lows. It's getting ridiculous. Can I get a candle body closure, ES? Thank you. Keep going. Thank you. Now, let's hope this isn't manipulation like a mother. I don't want this candle to engulf. If it does, we might be cooked, boys. I do not want this candle here to engulf like it's currently doing right now. It's engulfing this whole candle. Yeah, it might get cooked. Yeah. What's NASDAQ doing? Just that little move on NASDAQ is making ES dump to all-time lows. Just that little move on NASDAQ. Just this little itty-bitty move. This needs to start moving now. We're in the middle of a distribution phase. Stop this shit. If we can get full TP on this trade, I wouldn't even trade Asia. There we go. I caught the I caught the gold shorts, not the longs. There we go. Come on, NASDAQ, push. Don't edge it. This is the slowest distribution I've seen for low resistance liquidity in a while. This is all low resistance. Go take it, bro. Please. The moment NASDAQ taps this shit, what's it called? Selling more contracts on ES, regardless of where it's at. The very moment NASDAQ takes out that, there we go, NASDAQ. There we go. Boom. I took off some more here. And now I'm trailing aggressively. Very, very aggressively. Boom. Trailing very aggressively here. Oh my goodness, beautiful. Beautiful. Go distribute. Wow, what a beautiful, beautiful trade. Holy. My God. Boom. Yes. Partial booked. Still holding. Still holding, boys. Let me show y'all what I'm doing here. Still holding, boys. I'm I'm left with 2 cons on this. Beautiful trade. No, I'm in ES, not NASDAQ. My last 2 contracts I'm gonna have at this 4-hour high here. Guys, W's in the chat, man. W's, W's, W's. What a freaking W. I'm still holding this. I'm in my last 2 contracts here. Got in with like 10 positions on this. Look at this snack. Look at this. Look at this. Long TP, TP. Beautiful. It's about time we caught a W on stream. We caught 2 W's today. The rest of the position can go to break even. I'm not really tripping, but we are in the middle of distribution. I think we hit this final TP. Why do I think we hit this final TP? That, ladies and gentlemen, is our 4-hour FEG. We'll take it. I have a good feeling we'll take it. This is clear, clear, clear distribution. Look at NASDAQ. If you were trading NASDAQ, your final TP should be same thing. 4-hour FEG right here. Beautiful trade. Yeah, you should have. We caught 2 dubs. Caught 2 dubs today. I like this trade a lot. Guys, join the live stream. So we are in a massive profit this week, another profitable week. Wow, beautiful. I'm gonna let this trade either hit break even or stop loss. Y'all can trail to this low. Y'all can trail to this low, but I really want my runner to hit, so I'm not gonna trail. If this runner hits, it'll damn near like double. It'll damn near double like my position. So I want this runner to hit a lot. So I'm not going to trail. I'm going to just let it stop me out at break even or go to final TP. I don't think it will stop me out at break even, but it might come back for this low. That's why I'm not trailing up there. But very, very good profits. Tomorrow, probably not. I usually don't trade Fridays. So I might not get on live, but I might / I might not. So it really depends. But yeah, guys. You're in a gold long? Yeah, gold longs, it's the only thing I didn't like about gold longs was this candle's low. But yeah, I'm trading Lucid accounts right now, Lucid Pro accounts. I'm trading Lucid Pro accounts. Guys, great live. Beautiful, beautiful live. If y'all want some funded accounts to trade with, you already know which code is the best one to use. Code Dae at checkout, y'all. I appreciate you tuning into the live. This trade I do really think will hit final take profit. So I'll let y'all know in the Discord. If y'all are not in my Discord, join my Discord. And also, that prop deals chat, I know I spam that shit 3 times a day, but y'all make sure y'all have that shit unmuted because I will be dropping random discount codes throughout the week in there for both Lucid and Apex randomly. So if you have it muted, you're gonna be late. I'm in a really, really good mood. Dropping random codes in there throughout the week, throughout the month. Just keep an eye out. Till then, love y'all boys. Remember, always use code DAY at checkout, and I'm gonna catch y'all boys later. Peace.